We are 100% though down in weight. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am on week 3 now of Tirzepatide and MK677. So it's time for give you a short little update before I head off to this wedding tomorrow. It's Sunday. I'm trying to do the shot a day early so that I can not worry about it tomorrow, especially since I have like a 10 a.m. flight. If you guys are enjoying videos like this one, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can catch more of these later on. And if you have any comments, you have any questions, let me know down below, as I'd like to answer all my comments. I am at 186.6 pounds as of today, but on average, I'm at 187.2, which is about a 4-pound loss in the last like 2 weeks. So it's actually, it's a 3-pound loss in the last 2 weeks. So it's a pretty substantial like weight loss that I've done so far. I do actually think I'm starting to see some definitions. I'm not going to take measurements yet for another week. I'll probably do that definitely on the next video, but I'm feeling like I'm getting more lean and there's definitely more definition. One of the main effects I got this week though was crazy burping. I'm sure it's from the MK677 or the Tirzepatide. It does say you have gastrointestinal issues, so I guess I started to feel the effects of it this week. So yeah, relative to week 1, I'm definitely down a few pounds, which is super sick. Definitely what I expected. The burping I did not expect. As far as my energy levels though and my appetite, the same. I think I'm having the same energy levels. I think I'm having the same kind of appetite that I normally have. I think a lot of stuff's still happening under the hood and I haven't really quite felt the effects. Technically speaking, I've really been on Tirzepatide at 5 milligrams for only 6 days, and I took again another shot this morning. So I think next week after, we'll start to get some really good data to share with you guys and to share some experiences with you. Like I said, 2 days ago, I woke up and it was like burp city. I'm guessing that's the gastrointestinal problems that people are like talking about, but I feel strong. I feel good. I feel very happy with what's happening so far. I think really what it is just the MK677 making me hungry, and it's combating the Tirzepatide in a big way. But frankly, I feel like I'm getting hungry at the parts where it's like normal to feel hungry, you know, after like 3-4 hours of the last meal that I ate. But I'm definitely not looking at food and thinking, oh my God, this feels nauseous. I feel nauseous. This is gross. I don't want to eat this. I can't say that I feel that way. I don't have a disgust for food, or I can't say, oh my God, I've just completely stopped eating. I think it's helping a little, but I don't think it's helping all that. I have been having a hard time sleeping, but I'm still getting my 6+ hours. It's somewhere usually between 6 to 6.5 to 7. I'm hoping that I could get like 8 or 9, but it's tough. I go to sleep at like 3 a.m. and the sun is out really early. So my body knows that and my dog knows that, and Goku just completely wakes me up. Dad, dad, or something like that. There was actually a day this week where he licked my face and woke me up. That's what makes it hard to get sleep. Nothing else really, because I do want to be in bed for longer. So I've really only just had one experience this week where I had get up early for something and I went to bed late and I got right at 6 hours. But again, for the most part, dude, dead on sleep. Despite having a little downfall of the alcohol last Saturday, this week was absolutely clean. Didn't have anything last night. I was cool. The night before, I was super cool about alcohol. I was perfect in that regard, but I will break that rule, I'm sure, tomorrow evening as we have some festivities for the wedding. And of course, the wedding day, there will be champagne, there'll be celebratory drinks, but on Wednesday, we're back to normal. I will add that I'm not training tomorrow or Tuesday. May not even train on Wednesday because I'm not getting back to Florida until like 5 p.m, 5:30 from the airport, and I have some stuff to get ready that goes on to the week after. So probably won't train again till Thursday, but it's been good. I've been kind of going hard every single day in the gym. No rest breaks because I knew I was gonna have this week of the middle of the week wedding, and that's how I've been programming, where it's like, well, if I can do 6 workouts in a row, but I know I have 3 days off or 2 days off, I'm pretty much okay with that, as opposed to the usual like 3 on, 1 off, or 2 on, 1 off. Super fast reminder, of course, of what I'm taking. I'm taking 5 milligrams of Tirzepatide, and I'm taking 25 milligrams of ibutamoren or MK677. Go to the first video to find out exactly what these compounds are and what they do. Lots of information there. Go check that out. I also took my TRT dose this morning. A lot of people think that I'm natty. I'm not. I take TRT. I take testosterone. I'm 34, so maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't, that kind of range. Consult your doctor. Always consult your doctor if you're going to do something like that. All right, guys, that's really it for the video. I just want to remind you to keep checking out these videos, and you can see the weekly update as I keep going on this awesome journey of trying to see if I can lose some weight and gain some muscle. I'm really interested to see what my DEXA scan is at the end, and I will definitely take you guys along for that ride. Definitely make sure you stay tuned for next week. I'm going to do a full body measurement of the chest, the hips, and the glutes to see if I added a little bit of mass or pretty much stayed the same, or maybe just have lost some, which would be maybe the most ideal. I'm not sure yet, but we'll find out. Stick around for next week, guys. My name is Andres. Always nice to have you on my videos, and until next time, peace.